welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be playing with the Ace Beauty Slice of Paradise palette. It looks like this, y'all. It's beautiful. I want to do a rainbow eye, and let's just see how that goes. Let's prime our lids. Actually, no. First, we gotta put all this hair up. Pineapple. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour. So I'm just gonna put that much, and I'm gonna take Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush and blend that in. Alright. That's the one thing I wish this palette had, was like a white shade. I don't know. Like a white and a black would be pretty cool, but it's fine, it's fine. I think I'm gonna do, I don't know how, yellow, orange, red, Roy G. Biv, green, blue, purple, yellow, orange, red, green, blue, purple. Yeah. Alright, so why do I look blue? I'm gonna take Daffodil. I'm gonna put him in the front. Okay, now I'm gonna take Persimmon. Now we're gonna take Passion Fruit and put that on the outer corner. Passion Fruit looks more orange than Persimmon to me. But that's just my opinion. Alright, y'all. Let's move on to Kiwi, which is green. And we're gonna put that where we put the yellow. But on the other eye, obviously. Obviously. There is a little bit of fallout in the pan. Doesn't bother me, you guys know that. Some of the best eyeshadows I've ever used have fallout. Sorry if my voice is like raspy and stuff. I kind of just woke up. So now I'm gonna take Bluebell, and I'm gonna put that where we put the orange on this eye. Okay, and now I'm gonna take Starling, the purple, and I'm gonna put that where we put the red. I'm realizing that the easiest way to get the most color payoff is to just tap it on the eyelid, because when I try to blend it, I feel like the color kind of goes away a little bit. So once you get your desired blended effect, you can just pat in the color a little bit more in the places where you think it needs it to be more vibrant. I'm going to do that with the blue. Again with the green. And now on this side, I'm just gonna try to intensify the yellow, red, and orange. I feel like the green, blue, purple side is much more vibrant. So I don't know. we'll see. Okay, you guys, so now it's time for the hardest part, cut crease. I'm pretty scared. This is probably like only the second time that I've ever done a cut crease. I think I'm using the wrong brush, but we will see. All I know is that it has to be a lot flatter than the one that I have, but I still wanted to do this look. I'm gonna coat my brush with my concealer, the same one that I used to prime. I'm just going to pat that on my eye. I'm gonna set that down with the white eyeshadow from the Morphe palette. Now I'm just gonna kind of blend purple into where we stopped the cut crease. I'm like super scared. I think I'm gonna wipe down the brush that I used for the cut crease with a wipey, because I think I got a little bit of blue eyeshadow on it. Try not to get blue on the sunshine side, you know what I mean? So now we're gonna do this eye. I'm going to take some of the red passion fruit and kind of blend that, and now I'm going to take the orange and blend that in there too. So now that they look blended, I'm going to take the Dream Street palette from ColourPop, and I'm going to put Moony Shiny White, and I'm gonna put that where the white is to give it a little bit of a sheen. So now I'm gonna do some wing liner. I'm using the Stila Stay All Day waterproof I'm hungry, waterproof liquid liner. Does anyone else get hiccups when they're hungry? Cause I do. Guys, I just had the bright idea. By the way, my wings are done. My wings are done. I just had the bright idea of trying to put on some false lashes. I know that's stupid because I don't wear false lashes, but I just feel like you can't wear this type of look without lashes. You look like weird. You know what I mean? So I think I'm gonna cut them and only use them like on the outer part of my eye. Oh god. I'm using the Demi Wispies from Ardell. Putting on the glue. Guys, did I get it on? I just feel like it's not really that noticeable. Like, I know I just put on like some lashes that are considered kind of like natural because they're wispy, and I cut them. But I don't know. Maybe with mascara it'll look bigger. Now I'm gonna try to do the other eye. Did I just do it? Oh my god. I can kind of feel it on my eye, which is weird. Like this one I think I did better, but it's a first. Alright y'all. I think I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup. Sorry, I can't get used to this. It's weird. I'm gonna do the rest of my face makeup and I'll be right back. Whoa, you guys, false lashes make such a difference. I just put the mascara and I'm like mind blown. It takes it to another level. I'm obsessed. I feel like I gain like so much more confidence in 2 seconds. I feel like I was too scared to try to put them on before because it just looked really hard. But we did it, we're here. If you were like me, try putting lashes on, because changes the game, guys. Changes the game. Holy crap. I'm gonna look crazy when I go outside, but it's fine. What do you guys think? We need some clips? What color? I have them all. I don't know what color to do. We definitely have to put yellow. Everything's falling, guys. Everything's falling. Everything's falling. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I'm obsessed. I'm so happy that I kind of like went out of my comfort zone and tried to put the lashes on, because every look always feels like I'm missing something, and I'm pretty sure it's just the lashes. Like when you do such a dramatic look, it needs lashes that match it. And these aren't even dramatic, it's just they're like a very thin strip and they don't feel uncomfortable. Like I said, they're the Ardell Demi Wispies. And this palette, I really like it. It was really easy to work with because when you first apply the color, it's not super strong, so it's easy to build up. If you don't have any like rainbow palettes, I would totally pick this one up. Also, the NYX Brights palette is really nice too, a little bit more affordable, but I kind of like the quality of these much better. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please put some suggestions for videos for this week. Hope you guys have a great day. Do something fun. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.